Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with slightly damp bangs because moisture sets shape without heat damage. Once done, comb them forward and separate a 1-2-inch section. Pick a roller clip sized for your goal, smaller for a curl, medium for a bend, and place it near roots. Hold the section taut, roll under toward your hairline with steady tension, and snap the clip closed so it secures the base. Make sure the roll sits smooth with no twists. This gives an even bend as it dries. Once the first roller is secure, continue with adjacent small sections, matching tension and roll direction so bangs blend. You want consistent pressure. Uneven pull creates waves that don't align. If you need faster setting, aim a low-heat dryer at the rollers from root to ends for a minute per roll, making sure not to overheat the clip. Let the hair cool fully while clipped. Cooling locks the shape. If you're using multiple rollers, stagger placement, so you finish by unclipping carefully from the roots toward the ends so the bend remains intact. Once freed, shape with your fingers or a wide-tooth comb for a softer look. Make sure to add a light hold product so the style lasts without weighing bangs down. If you notice a sharp kink where the clip sat, re-dampen that small area and re-roll gently or use a warmer blow-dry pass. Conversely, if the bang looks flat, swap to a smaller clip next time or tighten the tensions slightly for more lift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.